Today, we're going to talk about a question that so many creators have asked again and again. Does posting long form videos and shorts on the same channel confuse the YouTube algorithm? Big question, right? A lot of new YouTubers worry that if they mix shorts and longer videos, YouTube won't know that their channel is really what it's really about. Yeah. They fear that their views will drop, or perhaps algorithm will start pushing shorts and forgetting your long form. Okay. Their subscribers as well, they think that their subscribers won't engage and that the algorithm will punish them, underline that, punish them for mixing both styles of content. But the truth is a little different, basically. Okay, let's break it down in simple words so you can fully understand it. So, first, let's start with what the algorithm really wants. YouTube algorithm isn't human, okay? It's not a human being sitting at a desk like me, okay, making decisions. It's a system that tries to show viewers what they are most likely to watch and enjoy. It looks at a person's viewing history, how much they watch, yeah, whether they click on a video, whether they leave likes, comments, or even subscribe to a channel. All of these actions help the system decide what to recommend to them next time. So really, the algorithm is all about being about the viewer itself, not about punishing creators. Okay. So if you like to know more deeply about algorithm, I literally went into it in this video. So make sure you watch it. The card coming right here. It will explain later when I finish this. Okay. Now, when it comes to long form videos, not shorts, I mean normal videos like this video, YouTube treat them a little different. Yeah, so shorts are vertical, quick, and designed for fast scrolling. People get bored and they swipe, okay? They often get shown to new people who have never seen your channel before. Long form videos, on the other hand, are horizontal, like this one you're watching, longer and built to hold attention for several minutes, okay, or even hours, depending on your content. They often get recommended to people who are already interested in your content or similar content. So the audience for each can be different, but they don't cancel each other at all. They don't cancel each other out. Yeah. One of the biggest fears that creators have is this: if I post shorts and long videos together, will the algorithm get confused and stop recommending my channel altogether? The answer is no. YouTube has made it very clear that shorts and long form videos live side by side, and the system understands the difference. It knows when to push your shorts to the shorts shelf. It never gets confused, yeah? And when to recommend your long form videos to people browsing or watching similar long content. So I don't see the confusion there at all. However, here is where the confusion comes in with most creators. What really matters is your audience. Yeah, people watching. Who are they? Do you know your audience? If you post shorts that attract one type of audience, for example, but long form video, they're not about they're about something completely different, then yes, you might confuse viewers. You can't post cooking videos on shorts and then you come and post this kind of video, sit down video on long form. You're confusing viewers. For example, if your shorts are all funny memes, you call it memes, I call it memes, same word, potato, 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 right? So if they are funny memes, but your long form videos a serious tech review, when you're reviewing things like this laptop and stuff like that, yeah, then it basically means people will ignore it. If they see your video, they will ignore it because it's not the niche they want. That's not the algorithm being confused. That's you confusing your audience, and that's your audience being uninterested. Okay. And when your audience doesn't engage, YouTube notices that and recommends your videos less. That's it. You're confusing the algorithm and your viewers. So the real key here is alignment. If your shorts are connected to your long form content, then mixing them on the same channel works really well. For example, if you run a cooking channel, your shorts can be quick recipes, tips, or fast cooking hacks. Okay. And your long form can be full recipe. In shorts, you might just crack an egg quickly and whatnot. In shorts, in long form, you're explaining every step, right? The recipe. So the shorts bring in new viewers, and some of those viewers will then check out your long recipes because they're interested in the short video that you show them about making an egg. That's how shorts and long form can work together beautifully. And nowadays, you can actually connect a short uh, to a video. Okay, there's an option for that when you're uploading. Another thing to remember is that shorts often act like little doorways. They can bring in new viewers quickly, but it's your long form videos that build a deep connection with the viewers for them to stay. So shorts bring people, long form keeps them. Okay, someone might discover you through a 15-second clip, but if they want like to watch your longer videos, and that's when they really become a loyal subscriber. So instead of thinking shorts will confuse the algorithm, think of them as a way to feed your long form content with new traffic. Yes. So now let's talk about what happens if you separate them in two different channels. Yeah, which I've seen some other YouTubers talk about. Okay, some creators do this, and in some cases it works. If your shorts are completely different type of content from your long form or two different niches, separating them makes much more sense. But if they are related, splitting them across two channels can actually make things harder. You'll be driving your audience and doubling. You'll be dividing your audience and doubling your work. YouTube itself has said many times that you don't need to separate shorts from long form unless the content is totally unrelated. Yes? So now the idea that the algorithm get confused is more like what can I call it? A myth, if you like, yeah, than a fact. Yeah, it's not a fact at all. So don't listen to that. Okay. What actually happens is that the creators sometimes confuse their audience by posting too many different types of content on one channel. Today you're vlogging, tomorrow you're coming with sit down video, and then recipes is confusing. Okay, and stick to one niche on the channel, so the algorithm will not be confused. So basically the algorithm simply follows the audience. If your audience loves your shorts but ignores your long videos, YouTube takes that as a signal. Okay, if your audiences enjoy both, YouTube will push both. So YouTube follows where audience are. It's really that simple. You're not confusing the algorithm. No. Or the algorithm will start putting shorts, pushing shorts, and forgetting this. No. So how do you avoid problems like this? Keep your content focused. Make sure your shorts connect naturally to your long form videos. Keep your channel identity clear. Okay, who you are and what you are after. Don't post random shots that have nothing to do with your niche. Instead, use them as hooks that lead people into your main content, which is the long form. Yeah. Okay, so remember too that shorts are still fairly new, and YouTube is improving how they work alongside long videos all the time. In fact, YouTube has been rolling out more ways to connect shorts to long form, many ways. For example, I can tell you like linking directly from a short to a full video that I mentioned earlier. Okay, when you post a short, there's a link that says which video would you like to link. There's an option for that. That shows you clearly that YouTube wants both formats to work together, side by side, not against each other. Yeah, it's one system that wants you to work everything together. Okay, so does posting long form and shorts on the same channel confuse the algorithm? No. It doesn't. The algorithm isn't confused at all by your audiences or your viewers. They are confused. So it's your viewers who might be confused, yeah, if the content doesn't connect. As long as you keep your shorts and long videos within the same niche, you'll be fine. In fact, you'll probably see faster growth because you are reaching people in multiple ways. So there's many ways to KILL the cat. Not that you're going to do it, but yes, many ways to do that, right? So you're reaching out to different audiences, different ways. The final advice I'll leave you with today uh, okay, is stop worrying about confusing the algorithm. Don't worry about the algorithm. Okay, keep doing you. Focus instead of saving on saving your viewers. Focus on that. If your shorts and long videos both provide value, entertainment, or education in the same niche, YouTube will reward you. Yeah, the algorithm on its only job is to connect the right video to the right viewer. And if you give it right signal through your audience's engagement, it will do exactly that. So okay, remember that. Okay, algorithm follows the audience, the viewers. So keep creating, keep experimenting, and don't hold back from posting both shorts and long videos on the same channel. Done right, they don't hurt each other at all. They help each other grow. So if you like to know how to retain people that you're bringing from shorts to the long form videos and how to keep people on the channel watching longer and longer, watch this video right here. It will explain in there very well ways to do that, how to retain people, because retention is the king.